Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to channel for all things tech and programming. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: how to password protect your Microsoft Word documents. Now, you might be wondering why password protection is essential. Well, it's all about keeping your sensitive information safe from prying eyes. Whether it's personal or work-related, it's crucial to safeguard your documents. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. First things first, let's open our Word document. Launch Microsoft Word, and you can either open an existing document or create a new one. For this tutorial, I'll be using this sample document. Now, moving on to step 2. Go ahead and click on the File tab at the top left corner of your Word window. This will open up a menu on the left. We're interested in the Info option. In step 3, click on Protect Document right here in the sidebar. This is where we'll set up our password protection. Step 4, you'll see a drop-down menu, and we want to select Encrypt with Password. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Time to set a strong password. Make sure it's something that's not easily guessable. I'll go ahead and enter one now. Step 6. Confirm your password by typing it again. This ensures you didn't make any typos. In step 7, simply save your document as you normally would. Your Word document is now password protected. Now, let's test it out. I'll close the document and reopen it. Voila! It prompts me for the password, keeping our document secure. And there you have it. We've successfully password protected our Microsoft Word document. Remember, document security is essential, whether it's personal or professional. Keep those sensitive files safe. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech and programming tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me on social media. Until next time.